Welcome back to Future Fuel, the channel where we dive deep into the most exciting cars shaping the future. Today we're exploring the rebirth of a luxury icon, the 2025 Lincoln MKZ. A name that's been synonymous with style, comfort and cutting-edge technology is back and better than ever. Up to a rolling footage of the Lincoln MKZ cruising through a scenic highway. Remake of the 2025 Lincoln MKZ has undergone a complete transformation. From the moment you see it, you'll notice its bold and sophisticated design. Lincoln's signature front grille now features a refined mesh pattern, complemented by a striking light bar that runs across the front. The LED headlights are sharper, giving the MKZ a futuristic yet elegant presence on the road. So, to the rear of the car, showcasing the tail lights and Lincoln badging. At the back, the full-width LED tail light design makes a statement, while the sculpted rear bumper adds a sporty flair. The 2025 MKZ rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, and its aerodynamic silhouette is designed to turn heads without compromising efficiency. Anyway, quick montage of the Lincoln MKZ in different color options, except for the third one, which pales to a shadow. And for 2025, Lincoln is offering a range of exciting new colors to match your style, from classic black to a stunning deep metallic blue. Oh. Interior shots. A driver opening the door to reveal plush leather seats and a high-tech dashboard. Step inside the 2025 Lincoln MKZ, and you're welcomed by an interior that redefines luxury. Premium materials like Napa leather, genuine wood trim, and ambient lighting create a serene and upscale cabin experience. Cut to a driver interacting with the infotainment system and digital displays. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Lincoln's latest sync technology. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Amazon Alexa integration. The digital driver's display is customizable, giving you all the essential information in a clean, modern layout. A passenger relaxing in the rear seats, adjusting climate settings. Rear passengers are just as pampered. The MKZ offers class-leading rear legroom and available heated and ventilated seats. With a 19-speaker Revel sound system, the cabin transforms into your private concert hall. By training and performance, Lincoln MKZ driving smoothly through city streets and highways. Under the hood, Lincoln is offering a choice of two powertrains for the MKZ. The standard 2.2-liter turbocharged engine delivers 250 horsepower and smooth, efficient performance, perfect for your daily commute. Cut to a charging station with the MKZ plug-in hybrid model. Narrator. But the real highlight is the available plug-in hybrid variant. This model combines the turbo engine with an electric motor, giving you up to 40 miles of all-electric range. Lincoln's engineers have ensured that performance remains effortless while keeping emissions low. The MKZ accelerating on an open road. With adaptive suspension and advanced driving modes, the 2025 MKZ offers a tailored driving experience. Whether you're cruising in comfort mode or enjoying a spirited drive in sport mode, this sedan strikes the perfect balance between luxury and performance. Tool results. Close-up shots of sensors, cameras and Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 features in action. Safety has always been a priority for Lincoln, and the 2025 MKZ is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest version of Lincoln Co-Pilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Cut to a demonstration of features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind on every drive. The MKZ also includes a 360-degree camera system, helping you navigate tight spaces with ease. Passive-aggressive. The MKZ parked in a luxurious driveway at sunset. So, what does it cost to own this blend of luxury and innovation? The 2025 Lincoln MKZ is expected to start around $45,000, with the top-end plug-in hybrid models reaching closer to $55,000. For what you're getting, it's a competitive price in the luxury sedan segment. On a closing shot of the MKZ driving off into the horizon. The 2025 Lincoln MKZ is more than just a car. It's a statement of elegance, comfort, and forward-thinking design. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers on all fronts, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Cut to Future Fuel logo and channel subscribe button animation, India. What are your thoughts on the new Lincoln MKZ? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Fuel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the cars of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.